Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on ClickBank Profit System. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then CB Profit System features. Also a short note from ClickBank Profit System, and the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you from the underground never before reveal. Learn and model my proven system for success as a ClickBank affiliate. Gain the knowledge to select good, profitable ClickBank products to promote. Gain the skill to create a profitable advertising campaign and make money with ClickBank without a website. Gain the skill to boost your campaign performance by tracking keywords that lead to actual sales. Gain the skill to build your own squeeze page and attract subscriber opt-ins. Learn how to promote ClickBank products on Facebook with $0. Discover new concepts and marketing strategies that you can apply to other affiliate marketing programs besides ClickBank. 30 days money back guarantee. Got unlock no limits now. Click here to add this to your order now. Usually $297 a month, today only one time $39. Welcome. Hello friends. .to you have a strong desire to succeed in making money online and you are determined to make things work. All that is left standing between you and your dream of making money online with ClickBank is the right advice and guidance to spur you into action. If you are looking for a way that can help you to gain a breakthrough and successfully make money online as a ClickBank affiliate, you're now at the right place. This course is here to prove to you that your dream of making money with ClickBank is within your reach. Imagine going to bed and waking up to the excitement of finding a new ClickBank sale in your inbox the next morning. Whether you are enjoying a meal with your loved ones, hanging out with your friends, traveling or sleeping, you could be earning money even while you're away from your computer. This course will teach you exactly how you can make this a reality for yourself. You can. And I am here to help you. You don't need to be an expert at internet marketing to make it happen. And you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to learn. In this course, you will find everything you need to know to help you get started and see real results. Even if you do not have any experience with ClickBank right now, you will be confident of the steps to take to earn your first dollar with ClickBank after completing this course. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.